Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is low, ma'am.
My voice is low.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am.
Yes, can you hear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Neha, I can hear Neha's voice is low. Neha, is that?
Ma'am, is it okay now?
Now it's okay, beta. Okay. Harshit, how about your video?
Ma'am, I will fix it quickly, ma'am.
Okay, still it's not working.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, for this time, this weekend, I have given you decimals chapter, right? This time we'll be having subjective test paper. Okay, children? So I have given you decimals chapter.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's do some of the sums from decimals.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so today is 11th day. Okay, let's see. In our previous class, we had done word problem. Okay, we had done sums like this, simplify sums. No? Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I was absent on yesterday and day before yesterday, ma'am.
Yesterday, I didn't take any class, beta. This is your first class of this week.
Ma'am, it was science paper.
Yesterday, there was no maths class.
Ma'am,
Okay.
day before yesterday?
Yesterday, there was no maths class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Day before yesterday, Tuesday, you have your science class, no? Okay, children. So now, today, Friday, tomorrow, and Saturday you have classes. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, this is only for this week.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's take another question. Um, okay, please take down the question. Let's do some word problems, statement sums. Okay, please write. John bought 9.25 meter of cloth. One second. Okay, let's see now. John bought 9.25. Hello, are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
John bought
Yes, ma'am.
9.25 meter of cloth for rupees 425 rupees 50 paise. Find the price of cloth per meter. Oh, students, today my one note is troubling. Please write down the question. Find the cost price of cloth per meter. Find the cost price of cloth per meter.
What was the cost for each meter?
John bought 9.25 meter of cloth for rupees 425.50 paise. Find the cost price of cloth per meter. Find the cost price of cloth per meter. Find the cost price find the cost price of cloth per meter. Okay. Okay, so what will be your first statement in this? What?
Ma'am, the length of cloth.
Length
of cloth
So
for
first we will write
length
yes.
of cloth for 425.50.
Okay. Total length of the cloth is the first statement. Then Neha, what will be the second statement?
Ma'am, cost of the cost. Ma'am, this cost.
Cost of 9.25 meter cloth. No? First statement will be the length of the cloth. Next will be the cost of the cloth. Okay. Then what are you supposed to find out? Cost per meter. So, Harshit, what will you do to find cost per meter?
Ma'am, division, ma'am.
Divide what?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you divide?
Divide 9.25 by 425.50. Ma'am,
Or you will divide small number with big number, 9.25 with 425.
No, ma'am, 425.50 divided by
Yes, yes,
9.25.
very good. So you will divide the cost with the length of the cloth. Okay. So that will give you cost per meter. Right? Please do. Please write the statement and do the division. Yes, please. What is the answer?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, I got 46.
46. Okay, very good. Harshit got the same answer. Harshit?
Ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay, do.
Ma'am, I got 43, ma'am.
43. Please check again. It should be 46. Check the calculation again. Check your calculation again. It should come 46.
Yes, ma'am, 46.
46. Okay,
Yes.
good. Okay, now please write the next question. I'll speak the question, okay? You can write because my OneNote is going off again and again. Okay, please write 1 kg basmati rice cost. Please write down. 1 kg basmati rice cost rupees 43.75 paise. Find the cost of 17 kg of rice. This is the cost of 1 kg basmati rice, okay? So you have to find
Ma'am, how many kgs?
find the cost of find the cost of 17 kg of rice. 17 kg of rice.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, what is it?
Ma'am, I got 743.75.
Okay, good Neha. Good beta. Let's check with Harshit also. Harshit, what will you do in this question?
Ma'am,
Hello?
we'll multiply, ma'am.
What will you do in this question?
Ma'am, we'll multiply.
Very good. Do beta.
Ma'am, I got 743.75.
Okay, good beta. That's the same answer. Okay, take another question. Take question number 3. A worker gets daily wage of rupees. A worker gets daily wage. What do you mean by daily wage? Means
Daily
the
salary.
money he gets.
Daily salary, ma'am.
Yes, the money that he is getting for 1 day work. Daily wage of rupees 80, 85 paise. Find the wages of 27 workers. Okay, you have to find the wages of 27 workers. Children, the one note is not responding today. Find the wages of 27 workers.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, can I
Okay.
tell you?
Yes, tell me your answer.
I got 2021.25.
2021.25.
Yes.
Okay. Let's check with Harshit's answer. Neha, check your answer again, once again.
Ma'am, I got 2182.95.
21 into 595.
Ma'am,
Please check your answer.
2182.95.
See, your answer should be 1 second. 2182.95. It should be this. Take
Ma'am,
your
I also
calculator.
said the same answer, ma'am.
Got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am, I said the same answer.
Okay, okay. Okay. Good, better. Neha, you can check your answer. Okay, check the multiplication. Okay, take the next question.
Ma'am, I got this 2182.95.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, please write the next question. Tom traveled 2.07 kilometers by foot. Two point zero seven kilometers by foot, 12.1 kilometer by bus. I'm repeating again. Tom traveled 2.07 kilometers by foot, comma, 12.1 kilometer by bus, and the rest by scooter. Okay. If he traveled a total distance of, if he traveled a total distance of 29.05 kilometer, find the distance he covered by scooter. Okay, I'm repeating the question again. Tom traveled 2.07 kilometer by foot, 12.1 kilometer by bus, and the rest by scooter. If he traveled the total distance of 29.05 kilometers, find the distance he covered by scooter.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, have all written this?
Ma'am, I wrote it like you wrote on the screen.
What happened?
I wrote the question like how you wrote on the screen.
Okay, the same way you have written the statement. Okay. Okay, what is your answer?
I got 14.88 kilometers.
13.88. Okay.
Ma'am, I got
So check with
14.88.
14. Okay, 14.88. Okay, let's wait for Harshit's answer also.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I got the same answer, ma'am.
Okay, 14.88 kilometers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. So you can, add all these by foot, by bus, by scooter.
Oh,
Yes, that should all sum to 29.05 kilometers. Good. Okay, this in turn is the statement form only. Okay. I'm writing less because again and again the one note is going off, no? So that's why I thought better not to write so much, giving trouble today. So I'm just writing the keywords. Okay, take the next question. Sonali bought 5 purses. Sonali bought 5 purses, okay, for rupees 105.75. Okay, 5 purses were bought by Sonali for this much rupees. And Tina bought, please write down, Tina bought 6 purses.
ma'am, how much? Ma'am, how much
Yes,
Nali bought
what
for
happened?
5%?
Purses,
How many rupees, ma'am?
105.75. 105 rupees 75 paise. Okay, 105.75. Okay, and
Hello, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, I didn't understand fourth question.
okay, you have just joined, but I have not written the fourth question. Leave the fourth question now and just focus on the fifth question. Okay, okay. You joined late, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, my OneNote is going off again today. It's not responding. So that's the reason. Okay. Please write down now question number 5. 5. Sonali bought. I'm not writing the statement, Adya. You have to write the statement. Okay. I'm just saying the question because OneNote is going off. Sonali bought 5 purses for rupees 105.75 paise. And Tina bought 6 purses for rupees 180.60 paise. Who paid less? Now you have to find who paid less. Okay. And by how much for each purse? Who paid less? and by how much for each purse. Did you understand the question? That means both for Sonali and Tina, you have to find the cost of one purse. Okay? Okay, children? Did you understand the question?
Yes, ma'am.
So in both the cases, for Sonali also and for Tina also, you have to find how much one purse cost. Please do. What will you do? Cost of 5 purses is given. How will you find the cost of one purse?
Ma'am, by
Ma'am,
dividing.
Yes, by dividing. What will you divide?
Divide the cost, the money paid by the number of persons.
Very good. So you will divide the cost of 5 purses by 5. Okay. Okay, quickly tell me what is the cost of one purse for Sonali.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
1 second. Okay, this is Sonali's, okay? And this is Tina. So,
Ma'am, who should say, ma'am?
yes,
Ma'am, who should say the answer?
yes, you can tell your answer.
Ma'am, for Sonali, she paid rupees 21.15 for each purse.
Okay, for Sonali, the cost of one purse is rupees 21.15. Okay, good.
Yes,
Similarly,
ma'am.
fine for Tina also.
Ma'am, I got, ma'am.
Hey, ma'am.
You got
Ma'am,
for me. Yes, yes.
ma'am, the answer is 30.1.
Yes, ma'am.
For Tina,
Yes, ma'am. Rupees 30.10.
okay. So Tina bought 6 purses. Okay. So that's 30.1. Okay, very nice. Okay, so who paid less?
Sonali paid less.
Ah, so here, one for Tina, one purse is rupees.
Ma'am,
This one was 21.15.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's again going up.
ma'am,
Okay, so Sonali paid less. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sonali paid less by
8.95, ma'am.
8.95
And
rupees.
you have to find by how much she paid less for each purse. So that is 30.1 minus 21.15. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, take the next question. Okay. So I want to tell you today about the rounding off of decimal fractions. How do we round off? Now, suppose in your class, if your teacher takes a test and out of 10 you get marks 8.5, say, is it? Suppose you get 8.5 marks, then how do you round it off? Will your teacher make it 8 or 9? If your
Ma'am,
mark,
9, ma'am.
Ma'am, 9.
yes,
9.
if you get marks 8.5 out of 10, so rounding off means making into a complete whole number. Okay?
Yes,
So we always round off towards the larger side. Why? Because if you have the preceding number 5 or greater than 5, then we increase the uh, number in front by 1. Now, if Here you have 5 here, 0.5. So what I will do, I will take the marks to be 9. That means the number ahead of this 0.5 will become 1 plus. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose your teacher takes your test, out of 20, she gives you marks 19.5. So how do you round it off?
Ma'am,
120,
she'll
ma'am.
round it off to 20.
Yes, it will be rounded off to 20 because 0.5 will be rounded off to a next higher number, that is 20. Okay. Now suppose if you have, if you get, suppose you go to a market and you buy a chocolate which cost you rupees 19.75. Then how will you round off?
Ma'am, we'll round it off to.
19.80.
See here, this is, see the last number is 5.
Ma'am, we'll
That
round off
number
to.
ahead of this will become 1 second, beta, 1 second. Okay, you will round it off to first 19.8. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am,
Okay,
yes,
now
ma'am.
again I can see, yes, again I can see here. Now this you have done. Again I can see this is now 0.8, which is greater than 0.5, right? If the number is greater than 5, the preceding number is greater than 5, then you will round off the next, the front number 1. You will make it 1 plus. It will become 20. Got it? Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, or else we can simply round it off to 100.
Yes, 100. How come 100 you got? No, no, Harshit. Look here. If the previous number is more
Ma'am,
than 5, if
we can
the
round it off to. We can round. This is actually rounding off to 10, right, ma'am? Nearest tens. We
yes,
can round off to nearest hundreds.
nearest 100 is not required here. I'm just saying the number which is there in front, you just increase the number by 1. Okay, if the preceding number is greater than 5 or greater than 5. Okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now suppose if you have a number, I take the number now, 56.897. Okay, now tell me, if I tell you to round off this 100th place number, how will you round it off?
Ma'am, by checking its before digit, left
So
side digit.
what will you write? What will be your rounded off number?
Ma'am, it will be
56.900. Also,
56.9. Yes, and the after numbers you can just write 00. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
The after numbers, you can just simply write the fillers here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now if I take you another number,
Ma'am, don't we round off 56.9 to 57?
which one better?
Ma'am, the previous, we just did.
The previous, what happened? 56.9. You can make it 57.
Yes.
Okay. If further you have to round off, you can make it to 57. Okay. If further, if you are rounding off, you can make it 57. And the decimal places will be all 0. Okay. Whether
Okay.
you want to write or don't write, that's, even if you don't write, that won't make any difference. Okay. Okay, now take the next number. Suppose I take the number 96.872. 872. This is the number, and I tell you to round off the 10th place here. Now this is the 10th place, no? 8. I'm telling you to round off using the 10th place.
can I say the answer?
So what is your first in this case? What is your, okay, say the answer.
Ma'am, 97.
Okay, very good. Okay, now see what is your first step in this. Your first step is to check whether the number is 5 or greater than 5. Okay, so in this case, we can see that 8 is greater than 5. Yes. Since 8 is greater
Yes, ma'am.
than 5, then uh, the number which is there in front will be 1 plus. Okay, so that becomes 97, right?
Yes, ma'am.
97.000. All other numbers will be 0 zeros.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
did not understand, ma'am.
okay, I'll explain it. I'll explain you again. My OneNote is not responding to me. Okay, now see here, Adya. Adya, please pay attention.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, see here. If the previous number, the number which I have told you, this number, I spoke about the 10th place number, no? Now you will see first whether your 10th place number is 5 or greater than 5. So this number is greater than 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that means the number here will become, this number will become 1 plus. If this is 96, this will become 97. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, similarly now, I take another example, okay, 27.987. Okay, now I tell you to round off using the 1000th place number. Okay, so Adya, which is the 1000th place here? One second.
Ma'am, 7.
7 was the 1000th place, no? So what is your first step in that case?
We need to add, ma'am, the.
No, you need to check whether the number is 5 or greater than 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So 7 is greater than 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the next step?
We need to add the number, ma'am.
So that means the number which is there in front of this will become one more. Okay, so this will become 27.99. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
this will become 27.99. And here, since this is nothing is there now, you can just write 0. Okay, got it?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you more examples. Okay, take another example. Okay, so this is now a round off to the nearest ones place. You have to round off to the nearest ones place.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
You can add.
So you have to round off to the nearest ones place. Okay, which is the nearest ones place? Yes, Harshit.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, answer is 68, ma'am.
68. How? 68.
Ma'am?
See the previous number. What is the previous number?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
67.440.
Yes, yes. See the previous number. There is no number here. I told you to round off this place, no, ones place. Okay. So the previous number is what? 4. So that means if it is less than 4, then you cannot increase the number. So this number will remain 67 only. Is this 4 greater than 5?
No, ma'am.
4 is less than 5, no? So you will not increase this number. Okay? It's only when the number is greater than 5 or 5 also. Then only you will increase the number. Okay? If it is less than 5, then you will not increase the number. You will just keep the number as it is. Okay, so I'm just rounding off this number to 67 itself. Okay? Did you understand? You will increase the number only if it is 5 or greater than 5. Okay, let's take another.
Ma'am,
9.
can you explain once more this question 67.4437?
See, I told you if the preceding number is 5 or greater than 5, then only you will round off. You will increase the this number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Now this number is less than 5, so you will not increase this number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Now see this question. 9.109. You have to round off this number to ones place. Okay. Round off to the nearest one. So that means this is the ones place. No? You have to round off this. But to round off this, what will you do? You will see the preceding number. To round off this number, you will see the preceding number. उससे पहले वाला number you will check. Okay. Now see here, this number is what? 9. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
9 is greater than 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Greater than 5, no? So that means now you can make it 10. You can write it 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you understood? Okay, take another example. If I give you number 2492.201. Now again you have to round off to nearest ones place. Okay, so if I am talking about ones place means you have to see the number preceding the ones place. Okay. You have to see the number which is preceding the ones place. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the number preceding the ones place is what? Just a second, we'll get the number back. The number given to you was 2492.201. Okay. So the number preceding the ones place. This is the ones place. The number preceding the ones place is 2. Is it? Is it greater than 2? Is it greater than 5? Sorry.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
2 is not greater than 5. It is less than 5. So that means your number will not change. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The number will remain as it is. Okay. Did you understand? We'll do more practice of this in tomorrow's class also. Okay, children?
Okay. Okay.
Don't worry, when we have tomorrow's day also, we'll do more practice of this round up. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Just have
Thank
to
you, ma'am.
see. Okay, beta. Okay, children, thank you.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Good.